Great interchange in the midfield. That ball that Connor Casey played to Maidana right there had to be perfect in between two defenders. Nogueira makes a great run to get beyond. Finds Le Toux, and Le Toux, just new in the game, makes no mistake and puts us upstairs. We go forward.
Look who's free. Fernandez in the box. Looking. Played it across. A score for Le Toux. Unity lead.
This is the start that Philadelphia wanted. They've had a dominant performance. They're finally rewarded with their pushing attack. With a great ball played out wide. Fernandez sticks his leg out, uses his body, gets his head up. Sebastien makes a great cutting run. Easy tap in. Shuttleworth all alone. Excellent. Stays onside barely. Philadelphia's up 1-0.
Push back to Park. Returning home, played at Downington High School, also at Drexel University. Daniel. Look at this ball in for Le Toux! Le Toux! 1-0 Union! He's back!
And this ball, it's all about, this goal is all about this ball by Keon Daniels. Sebastien Le Toux able to peel off the center back of a Beasler. Great first touch and a great finish. What a ball by Keon Daniels. What a first touch by Sebastien Le Toux. And are you kidding me? What? You couldn't write a better script than this if you're a Philadelphia Union fan.
And he could have had another one, at least. Toux brings it down, looking, shooting, and Le Toux has got one. Union are back in it again. He was not to be denied on that shot. It's his first goal since opening day against Sporting Kansas City. And now you may have a frenetic finish.
Well, and we mentioned in the keys to the game earlier that you need more guys other than Jack McInerney to impact the game, to influence the game. Good touch to the left foot, clean strike to the far post.
Up in the air, one header, brought down, then Le Toux, he claims handball. Referee says yes. Where was it though? Where was it? If it was inside or on the line, it's a penalty, but we're waiting for a signal. And you'll be waiting with us.
Yeah, based on their reactions.
You would think it's a penalty. But we have to wait, and yeah. Le Toux.
Shane Williams does well to get up and win that.
Yeah, it's in the box.
This is, I think, a very fortunate call.
Because he's looking the other way and his arm is
the other
just
way,
there,
his
right?
arm's tucked in. It's
Sean Johnson saved the penalty last week from Chris Tierney. He saved at least one penalty.
It was a brilliant save as well.
Year. He has 6 penalty kick saves since he started his career.
Well, he's a big guy that takes up a lot of space and has a tremendous wingspan.
Le Toux for the tie. Seba stepped up, and Seba scores it. He's 12 for 12. It's 1-1. Sebastien Le Toux. Great job stepping up, not letting the pressure phase him. If the Union can keep this. ahead Connor Casey. Casey catches up, Salcedo giving chase. Connor Casey, end line. Connor Casey cuts it back. Connor Casey through, and a goal. Back of the net, Sebastien Le Toux on a beautiful setup by Connor Casey. And RSL got caught with numbers forward that time, and Casey made him pay.
It's a great run from Connor Casey into space. He's uncontested in possession as he goes down to the sideline. Give credit to Shannon Williams. A difficult ball to figure out. Carlos Salcedo gets caught biting. He's forced into recovery. Now Borges can't double up because of the secondary run. And watch the delay. Little Croy gets Salcedo flying by. And then unfortunately for Real Salt Lake, as Salcedo's momentum takes him away, if Salcedo
restored for the Union.
We came into 2014 and we heard MLS and pro referees organizations say they were going to cut down on tugging on set pieces. Does Maurice Adu maybe get away with the tug on Eric Alexander? Yes, but the referee saw it. Sebastien Le Toux steps up, buries it in a huge
Tries to get outside of Cato. The cross. Casey couldn't get to it. Quick shot, score! Le Toux! 2-0, the Union.
Well, this is the start the Philadelphia Union needed. Good ball here, swung in. Shannon Williams does well to muscle Cato off the ball. Casey with a good challenge, forced a poor clearance, and Sebastien Le Toux makes no mistake with his ball to find his right foot. Good challenge from Casey.
Seba, 8 for 8 in his career, 1 for 1 this season. Le Toux is ready to strike, and he scores. He's 9 for 9 on penalties with the Union. Sebastian's third goal of the season.
He finished that one up the middle with confidence. That's an impressive stat, 9 for 9.
Casey not out there to barge into him anymore. Farrell just stabs it into space. Revs need to keep the ball better than that. Le Toux again on his horse. Angled wide. Wenger. Le Toux's taking up a good spot. Shoots and makes it 3-1. Well, that was cagey play from the Frenchman. Just dropping off. The Revs didn't see it.
Well, you've got to say well done to Andrew Wenger. Wenger was making a run flat and going in the back, and then he knew he wasn't going to get the ball, so he pulled out wide on the right-hand side of the midfield. And as you quite rightly said, here he is where he pulls out on the right-hand side. Just watch the run of Le Toux there, just near the penalty spot. He just holds his run. Soles just drifts off him. Le Toux takes a touch, bang, right to that far corner, that far right-hand corner. And again, no chance.
Noguera with a head of steam. Nice move. Now Le Toux. They find Casey in the box. Connor Casey cuts it back. Rung it off the post. Trying to clean up anew. This ball deflected several times. And what's the ruling from Salazar?
Yeah, red card on Sagaya. He is going to claim, or Salazar feels that Sagaya prevented a clear goal-scoring opportunity with the hand, so it'll be a penalty kick and a red card for Sagaya.
And here's Philadelphia's chance.
Well, the counter-attack, they had the room, and watch Connor Casey off the near post. And now, there it is. And Sagaya does intentionally stick out the right arm. Watch Sagaya right here. Whether it's intentional or not doesn't matter. I mean, that's the right call by Salazar.
Pivotal moment in the game's 80th minute. And here we go. Le Toux for Philadelphia. He scores. It's a 2-1 game.
Oh, Robles banging the ground because he knows he had a shot. He anticipated, he read it correctly, but under his body.
Felipe. Nice driven ball, but too far away from McInerney and too close to McMahon. Gaddis on the left. Shots are still low here. As the Union go forward. The winger pass. Le Toux's gonna find it. Sebastien shot, and he's got two. Well, it seemed like a broken play, but no one will care about that. 2-0 Union.
Andrew Wenger makes a dynamic run up the middle with power, with speed. Finds the ball. The ball will look kind of lazily. I didn't know if it was for Noguera or Le Toux. Le Toux picks it up. Kind of stands still for a second. Has the defender with a couple of head fakes, a little tip. Not the best finish, but right at the middle had Troy Perkins sort of looking through defenders' legs, trying to find it.
Sebastien Le Toux steps up and buries it straight down Broadway. We're level at 2.
Safe parries. Gonzalez, a big mistake there. Pounced on by Sebastien Le Toux. 1-0 Philadelphia. Nothing Brad Knight could do there.
Well, we spoke to Joe Go before the game, and he was absolutely. It was key that they scored, that took the chance, and key that they defended much better to give away some sloppy goals. In this case, there's a ball just pumped all the way down. Very, very simple ball. Two players fighting for it. And Jogo, he doesn't get enough weight on the header, ball drops to Le Toux and he just pokes the ball past Brad Knighton.
Once by Ferrari, and it's over the bar. Goal kick for McMahon. Bring your family to PPL Park and watch the Union in action. Here's Le Toux. Let's stay with this. Play back to a goal. Le Toux looking. 1-0 the Union. Flag stays down.
Zach McMath does a great job of recognizing that Le Toux is trying to beat the Montreal defenders who are right around midfield. You know, how many times you see Sebastien Le Toux scoring a goal just based on energy and his willingness to put the work in. Great recognition by Zach McMath, an unbelievable ball. Defender and Troy Perkins sort of, you know, lack communication, see the frustration on both of them parts, but great job by Sebastien Le Toux. Good.